Okay, I'm making this video for a friend who was curious about the Parrot Live USB boot time. I've got my USB 3.0 with Parrot Live Encrypted persistent USB plugged in, and we're going to get it going, see how long it takes to boot. Preparing one-time boot menu, and there is the boot menu. I'm going to go to UEFI SanDisk, and now it's starting the boot, and there is the Parrot boot menu, and we're going to go to Encrypted Live USB, Encrypted Persistence, no, yeah, Encrypted Persistence. Now it's starting the boot. It's going to ask for my password, which will slow things down a bit because, well, it's encrypted. And there it is asking for my password. We will and now it's continuing the boot. There's my pointer. And there's my desktop, ready to go. Like if I want to open a terminal, it should pop up instantly. There it is, ready to go. Pretty quick boot time, huh? That's USB 3.0, of course. Have a good one.